crop out here. I actually just got a little hung up down in one of the draws. 2/10 of rain this morning, but it's going well. My tractor just slid down I was trying to avoid the low spot, and the tractor slid down in it, so oh well. But we're out here, or I'm out here, still wide drop, and the corn is very tall. It looks very good on this field. It's pushing that too tall to be out here, but it's bouncing back nicely right after the tractor. In a perfect world, for those of you that don't know much about wide dropping, you try to wait, or at least what we've been told, is to the last point that you can get across it. And Mother Nature kind of forced our hand. This is the last, this is the earliest we could have gotten across it because of all the rain we've been getting. But now we've just got to grit our teeth and get across it here. So I'm trying to, our target is, whoops, let me try to stay on the road and film here at the same time. Our target is 30 gallons an acre, so that's why I'm going a little on the slow side here, is that's the only way I can get the volume through the sprayer, which is quite extreme for spraying, but wide dropping, that's where they want us. So it's going well. I'll take videos tomorrow. I'm just getting used to this tractor on the wide drop machine, so I'll take videos starting tomorrow, and I don't know when I'll get them posted, but this is stellar crop.